Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern kitchen. My name is Ellen. Can y'all believe it is time to go back to the classroom? OMG, this whole summer went by fast. I can't believe it is back to school time. So today I'm going to share with y'all a childhood favorite, and it's also one of mine since I was a little girl. We're going to make homemade Rice Krispies Treats. I love me some Rice Krispies, one of my favorite cereals, and y'all know how much I love rice. My friends, it is so simple and easy to make, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's gonna love and enjoy these. Great to put in your kids' lunchbox and enjoy these at lunchtime. These are next level good. And once you make these, you'll never buy store-bought Rice Krispies Treats again. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And check out my 2 previous videos, Homemade Buttermilk and Southern Peach Crisp. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your marshmallows, your Rice Krispies, and get your butter melting sugar, because we're about to make some Rice Krispies Treats magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our Rice Krispies. We need 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. Going to scoop it in there using my 1 cup measurement. That's 1 cup. Going to pour it into my large bowl. Just repeat the process. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's our 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. Into our Rice Krispies, we're going to add in 1 cup of mini marshmallows. Using my clean hand, we're going to mix all these together, or you can use a spoon if you like. Alrighty, now we're going to set our Rice Krispies mixture aside. In the meantime, let's melt some butter. Over here on my stove top, I have my large pot, or you can use a medium saucepan. My fire is on medium heat. We're going to add in a 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons of salted butter, and I recommend using salted butter. Going to let that melt, and as soon as it melts, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our butter has melted, so now we're going to add in the rest of our marshmallows. So I use a 1/16-ounce bag of mini marshmallows in the entire recipe. I use 1 cup to put in the Rice Krispies. Going to give these a stir, and we're going to let the marshmallows melt. And as soon as they melt all the way, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our marshmallows has melted. Look at that gooey, creamy goodness. That looks great. And it smells so good. Love the smell of marshmallows. So now I cut my fire off. There's 2 more ingredients we got to add to it. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. That's a capful. And a 1/2 teaspoon of pure almond extract. Perfect. A little goes a long way. Almond extract is very strong, so be careful not to add a lot. And stir. It smells heavenly up in this kitchen. I wish y'all was in here with me. Alrighty, our melted marshmallows are done. Now we're going to pour it on top of our Rice Krispies. Give it a stir until it's well blended. Make sure the melted marshmallows coat every Rice Krispies and marshmallow. Alright, my friends, I am through stirring up my Rice Krispies. Everything is nice and coated. We are ready to pour it into our baking pan. We're going to pour the Rice Krispies filling in the 9 by 13-inch baking pan, and I lined it with parchment paper. And before we do, I'm going to spray it generously with cooking spray because it's very sticky. Alrighty, now I'm going to spray my hands with cooking spray. Time to get messy. Going to rub my hands together, and we're going to press them down. Going to turn them into a big rectangle, so that way our hands won't be sticky. This is so much fun, and this is great if you're not much of a baker. Alright, my friends, so all we do now is let them harden and sit for 1 hour. All right, my friends, it's been 1 hour. See how hard and firm that is? That's exactly what we want. That looks great. So now I'm going to remove the parchment paper out of the pan. Now we're going to use a sharp knife and cut them into squares like so. Ta-da! Beautiful square. So now I'm going to finish cutting the rest of my squares. I'll plate them up and we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Homemade Rice Krispies Treats updated. Don't that look good? Now it is time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that square. Please have a bite. Amazing texture. Decadent, chewy, gooey. You can also jazz up your Rice Krispies Treats with sprinkles or frosting. And instead of regular Rice Krispies, you can use chocolate Rice Krispies. Oh, I bet that's incredible. And I love chocolate. Kids and adults are going to enjoy these. So phenomenal. Please give this recipe a try, my friends. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Rice Krispies Treats licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and have a wonderful and safe new school year.